everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make balloon dogs. All you need is a balloon pump and a long balloon, or you can call them animal balloons. Let's just pump it up. Okay, now that your balloon is tied, the front where it's tied is where the nose is going to be. And then the back, leave some space for the tail. Alright, so for the nose, it's going to take a little part of the balloon and twist. Now you have to hold this, otherwise it will come undone. And if it gets too tight, just push the air down. Because if it's too tight up there, it will pop. Okay, so now we're gonna make the ears. We're gonna make it longer than your nose, however long you want your ears to be. One twist, holding these together. And then do a second twist. And just check that they're similar in size. They don't have to be perfect, just similar. Now where your nose is, and your last twist, these are gonna twist together. Twist it a few times so that you can move the head later if you need to. So then the next part is going to be the neck. It's a little tight up here, so I'm just going to push some air down. So now I'm just going to make the neck just a little. You can make it as long as you want it. Now the next two twists are going to be your legs. So we'll do, make it a little longer. One, two. As I'm still holding them, they're similar in size. So then you're just going to take your last twist and the bottom of your neck twist. And then you can still move the head. The next part is the body. You can make it as long as you want. Make it like a hot dog. I'm just gonna do just a little bit. Now two legs. One, hold it up to keep it together. And then I'm just gonna make a little bottom here. Okay, legs, that one's a little longer, but that's okay. I'm gonna take the bottom in your first twist. Just twist them. And here's your dog. I have a little tail. There you have it. That's how you make the dog balloons. Ruff, ruff. Thanks for doing the craft with me. Bye.